opening this giant monster truck. So, we already got it open. Jump over. Whoa! Did you see all that?
Yes.
Awesome!
Oh, it even comes with hands.
Look, it's that little dinosaur. So we might be playing with these. Okay? So let's get something to hold it up. How about we hold this box?
Whoa. Emerson, there's even an egg.
Where?
Right here.
Whoa, look. There's an egg. Whoa. This is massive.
Yeah, it's
Open it up.
massive.
Open it up.
See if this can pop out.
Okay, now it looks like
No,
we should open up the rest of it. So, alright, now open it
there's
up.
also
Open it
raw.
up.
Whoa, there's more eggs. There's more eggs. Alright, open you up.
So this egg. So you see these dinosaurs go in here in a cage. Whoa! I'll be in charge of the egg. You can have this egg. You want this one?
Yeah.
I'll be in charge of this.
Whoa! Where are all the dinosaurs? Now
Hammond, how about pick a little dinosaur that you want?
I want that guy.
I want this one.
Hey,
Okay, how about we pick one of these? Roman, pick one of these.
I picked.
Actually, no. Pick.
Yeah.
Let's go. Okay, so these dinosaurs are trying to trap other dinosaurs, okay? So, this guy and Beauty. Oopsies.
Massive.
Okay.
Now,
Yes,
set it up.
and two other
We also
eggs.
have to set it up.
Okay, now
Set up the trees.
Now let's set up everything. See this guy? This thing?
Tree
Gonna put
right here. Tree right here.
I'm not gonna put it right there. I'm just gonna let it lay down. Oh, and those rocks are gonna stay there. That's for all the dinosaurs everywhere, Roman.
I put
And then this one, go right there. This one goes right here. And this pterodactyl will go right here. And then this T-Rex will go right here. Oh, this guy will go right here. This guy will go right there, which you probably won't be able to see. Then this guy, same exact guy, well, not same exactly, it will just be the same thing, will go right there. This guy will go right here. And then this guy will go right here. And then right here. And then same one. Well, not exactly the same, just exactly the others. We'll go right next to the other one. Then these two will go right here. Then these two are the same. We'll go right.
So where do you think we should put this? Well, since whenever I put it on the ground.
Yeah, that happened with the bushes too. Just like that. But I get a tree like that. Then the last two will be right here. And then right here. Okay.
And the last one.
Now get your dinosaurs. And then these eggs are gonna be
And then who's gonna trap the bad guys? Who's gonna trap the bad guys?
Oh, and then this massive T-Rex lays an egg.
And then all this guy our two guys that we picked up are trying to trap all these bad dinosaurs.
Yeah.
And
Now
this
egg belongs to.
so they can trap a lot of dinosaurs in the 3 dungeon part. So let's see the dungeon off. That's massive. The dungeon's off. The go off. And the humans go fit. That means the dinosaurs go right here
Now
to
this-
ride it.
No, not. Stop it. No, don't.
Here, I got this guy. Oh, the big dinosaur that lays the egg is this big egg. That big egg. Emerson. There. Now I got that red guy to go up.
Okay. Okay. Come here. Fred.
So we are trying to catch this massive T-Rex.
Well, I didn't got our dungeon and can't fit him in.
Okay, then let's not count that.
It's just
Let's not trap that. Let's try and trap. Let's try and get the eggs. Okay, so where are the eggs on here? Is there any eggs?
Here, there's 2 eggs. Right here, little dots. 2 eggs. And
Yes,
then their egg.
Yeah, no, there's only 2 eggs.
2 eggs.
So this is 1 egg, and then this is 2 eggs. These are 1 egg, this is 2 eggs. See,
And
so those 2 eggs
the
are
last egg is a massive dinosaur.
These right there, right?
Yeah. All right. Now let's try to catch the little dinosaur.
Now first let's get, oh, have you noticed the T-Rex has an egg?
Yeah.
Right there. So, maybe we should be, talk with your normal voice. Maybe we should be, just talk with, maybe we should be, maybe we should try to find these guys.
Yeah.
Isn't there 2 of them? There's 2 of them.
Yeah. There's 2.
Hop-a-doo-doo in the truck. Close the dungeon.
The dungeon.
Okay, let's go now.
Now, watch out for the big dinosaur. Don't worry, we have this big dinosaur head is here.
I'm the driver.
And I should go in the back.
Okay, stop.
Now, is it these shoes?
First we're trying to get the egg. Yeah. Actually, and we're trying to get those 2, remember? Yeah, those 2. Okay, stop.
I catch one, you catch one.
Okay, now we are going to sneak up on them and grab. Okay, now open up the cave. Down. There's them in.
There, the dungeon.
Okay, shh. Now.
Whoa.
Yeah, it doesn't even have any humans. And it belongs with this cage that doesn't come out. It opens up like this.
It's got 3 cages
Yeah,
on it?
and it opens up like 2.
And it came with a bunch of dinosaurs? That is
3 and 2, 1. I get that.
I'll get you both.
Okay, now put them in.
That one.
First egg complete.
Now where do you put the egg?
All the eggs basically go in this cage.
Yeah, and all the dinosaurs basically go in these cages.
So basically, these dinosaurs are going.
Oh, look at these crystal stones.
No. Well, those are rocks. Those are just rocks.
Okay, look at rocks. I'm gonna climb on the rock.
Okay, let's try.
And now, time.
No, actually, let's
Time for the
no,
biggest
they're
one.
actually only trying to catch the ones with the eggs. So these 2 guys are. Sorry, Okay,
But not the massive T-Rex.
yes, we are.
How can it fit in this cage?
It will.
That's what we